In this video, I will explain you what is text splitting. Text splitting is one of the key components of RAG-based applications. So the previous component which I told you was document loader. So in this section, I will be going to explain you text splitting. So as the name suggests, what text splitting does, it breaks the big text like articles, PDF, books, HTML pages, etc. into smaller parts, and these smaller parts are also called chunks. So you have a large text here and that is broken into smaller text, or you can say smaller chunks. So these are many chunks which are present. So this is text splitting. Now you will be thinking, what is the need of it? Why I am breaking this text into smaller chunks? The reason is that LLM has input size limit. So there are so many LLMs. I'm not talking only specific about GPT of OpenAI. There are so many LLMs available in the market. So every LLM has some input size limit. So you cannot pass a huge amount of text to the LLM. It will not work. So what you have to do, you have to break it into smaller portions. Also, it is seen that if you pass a very huge text to the LLM, it will not give you very accurate results or satisfying results. But yes, LLM works good with the smaller amount of data. So it will give you more precise result if you pass the small text. This is what I have written here, that model has limitations. LLMs have input size limits. They cannot take huge data at once. And also, these shorter chunks are useful in embeddings. What are embeddings? That I will explain you in the next section. So during that time, I will explain you what is embedding. Then you see, another thing is performance. Because of the smaller chunks, these smaller chunks can be processed parallelly by LLM because they are independent chunks. So LLM can process these chunks parallelly, and smaller chunks require lighter computation. For the larger chunk, LLM has to do a lot of computation, but for the smaller chunks, it has to do less computation. Because of the less computation, LLM needs less memory. So overall performance of the LLM increases. So performance wise, smaller chunks are good. Model limitation is there, that it cannot handle the large data, so that's good. And also if you pass the large data to LLM, it will not give very accurate result. So it works good with the smaller data sets. And also it is useful in embeddings, which I will show you in the next section. So these are some advantages of using the text splitting. Now there are many different ways to perform the text splitting operation. I am writing few important ways of text splitting. Number one, you can split the data by length. Another way is by text structure, and the third way is by document structure. So these are the few important ways. These three ways I will be going to explain you in this particular section.